Look in the mirror. No, seriously. Don't just glance. Really look. Stare into the eyes of the man looking back at you. Is that a warrior? Is that the man you swore you'd become? Or is he a ghost, a shadow, haunted by the promises he broke to himself just last night? Haunted by the potential that's leaking out of him, day by day, scroll by scroll. This isn't a game. This is a confrontation. Right here, right now. It's you versus the man in the mirror. Because somewhere deep inside you, under all the excuses and the comfort and the noise, there's a lion in a cage. And he's rattling the bars. He's roaring in those quiet moments when you're alone, begging to be let out. This is for the man who hears that roar. This is for the man who is sick and tired of the cage. I'm going to give you a timeline. This isn't a wish or some far-off dream. It's a deadline. 6 months, 180 days. That's your window. 6 months of focused, unrelenting effort is all it takes to become completely unrecognizable to the person you are today. That's not a motivational slogan. It's a challenge, a gauntlet thrown right at your feet. The problem is, most men hear a challenge like that and they just tune out. It demands a level of honesty they aren't ready for. But you're still listening, and that means you're already different. You're tired of running in the same meaningless circles. So listen closely, because this is the plan. This is how you get out of the cage. Section 1, the mirror and the why. Let's be brutally honest about where you are right now. The life you have is a direct result of your past choices, your habits, and the standards you've set for yourself. All those hours you've bled into a screen, the workouts you skipped, the books you never opened, the tough conversations you ran from, they've all compounded into the man in the mirror. A man who feels stuck. A man who knows, deep down, he's capable of so much more, but just can't seem to grab the steering wheel of his own life. Every day feels the same, doesn't it? It's just a blur of low-grade anxiety, cheap dopamine hits, and that quiet, gnawing feeling that you're a spectator in your own life, not a player. You see other men building things, getting in phenomenal shape, commanding respect, and you just watch. You consume their content, get that temporary hit of motivation, and then it's gone by morning. Here's the truth. Motivation is a fleeting, unreliable feeling. It's a spark in a storm. You don't need motivation. You need discipline. Discipline is the engine that keeps you going when the feelings fade. It's the force that gets you out of bed when it's cold and dark to do the thing you promised you would do. Discipline is the bridge between the man you are now and the man you want to be. The pain you're feeling right now, that sense of being stuck, that's a signal. It's your soul screaming at you that you're living out of alignment with who you're meant to be. The cost of doing nothing is a slow death. It's a lifetime of regret. It's looking back at 40, 50, or 60 and seeing the ghost of the man you could have become, knowing you chose comfort over courage. You chose the cage over the wild. We are not letting that happen. Your story doesn't end here. This pain, this confrontation, this isn't the end. This is the beginning. You've listened long enough. Now it's time to choose. Are you going to keep comforting yourself with excuses? Or are you going to start living in alignment with the truth? Section 2, the what if, the vision. Now close your eyes. I want you to actually imagine something. Fast forward 6 months. It's a Thursday morning. You wake up at 5 a.m., not because some annoying alarm jolted you awake, but because your body just knows it's time to rise. There's no grogginess, no brain fog, just clarity. You don't even think about your phone. Your phone is a tool you use, not a master you serve. You walk to the bathroom and catch your reflection. The man looking back at you is different. His eyes are clear, focused. His jawline is sharper. His shoulders are broader. His posture is straight. He carries himself with a quiet confidence that doesn't need to be announced. It's just felt. His presence speaks for itself. You spend the first hour of your day not reacting to the world, but building yourself. You train your body with an intensity that forges not just muscle, but mental toughness. Every drop of sweat is a testament to your commitment. You read from a book that expands your mind, not a feed that shrinks it. You plan your day like a general mapping out a battle because you are on a mission. Throughout the day, you're a force to be reckoned with. At work, you don't just show up, you lead. You solve the hard problems. You create value. People look to you, not because you're the loudest guy in the room, but because your actions have earned their respect. You speak with intention. You listen. You're no longer distracted by stupid, trivial things because you're focused on what actually matters. When you face a challenge, you don't shrink. You don't complain. You see it as a chance to get stronger. Every tough situation is just a workout for your character. In the evening, you don't collapse on the couch looking for an escape. You connect with the people you love. You work on your own projects. You build your future. You go to sleep with a deep sense of satisfaction, knowing you won the day. You aren't just getting by anymore. You are alive. This man isn't a fantasy. He's not a character from a movie. This is you. This is the man waiting for you at the end of these 180 days. He's forged in the fire of discipline. He's built by 1,000 small, correct choices you make day after day. And the journey to becoming him starts right now with a single decision, the decision to accept the challenge. Section 3, the gauntlet, the 6-month journey. This isn't about gentle self-improvement. Think of this as a controlled demolition of your old self to build something new, something stronger. Each month has a specific focus, a new layer of the warrior you're forging. Month 1, the purge, building your foundation. The first 30 days are all about elimination. You can't build a skyscraper on a swamp, so first, we have to drain the swamp. This means ruthlessly cutting out the habits that are making you weak. You know exactly what they are. The endless scrolling, the junk food, the video games, the mindless content, hitting the snooze button. For 30 days, you're going on a dopamine fast. You have to starve the part of your brain that craves cheap, easy pleasure. You're going to be bored. You're going to be uncomfortable. That's the whole point. In that emptiness, you'll rediscover your own mind. Your only task this month, outside of your normal responsibilities, is to build one single keystone habit. Wake up at the same time every single day and do something physically hard for at least 15 minutes. It could be push-ups, a run, or a cold shower. The action itself matters less than keeping the promise you made to yourself. This month is about proving to yourself that you can be trusted. Month 2, the engine. Forging your body with the junk cleared out, we now build the engine of your life, your body. Your physical state runs your mental state. So, month 2 is a flat-out war on physical weakness. You will commit to a real training program. No more excuses. 3 to 5 days a week, you walk into the gym, your garage, or the park, and you go to war with the iron and your own perceived limits. You'll also dial in your nutrition. Stop eating processed garbage and start fueling your body like the high-performance machine it is. You don't need some complicated diet. Just eat real food. Meat, fish, eggs, vegetables, fruit. Drink water. Cut out sugar and liquid calories. This isn't just about looking better. It's about having the discipline to control what you put in your own body. It's the most basic form of self-respect. Month 3, the architect, forging your mind. Your body is the engine, but your mind is the architect. Month 3 is all about building an unbreakable mind. You will read for 30 minutes every single day, and not fiction or the news. Books on philosophy, biographies of great leaders, skills that will actually improve your life. You are what you consume, so this month you will consume greatness. You'll also start a daily practice of meditation or just stillness. 10 minutes a day is all it takes. Sit in silence. Watch your thoughts without getting tangled up in them. The point isn't to stop your thoughts. It's to learn not to be controlled by them. This is how you learn to stay calm in the storm, to think clearly when the pressure is on. This practice will become your superpower. Month 4, the crucible, embracing discomfort. Comfort is the enemy of growth. Month 4 is about intentionally seeking out discomfort. You've built a foundation of discipline. Now it's time to test it. We forge it in the fire. This month, you will actively do the hard things you've been putting off. Take cold showers every day. Sign up for that public speaking class. Tackle the project at work that terrifies you. Go ask for that raise. The goal here is to completely recalibrate what you consider hard. It's about proving to yourself that you can handle way more than you think. You'll learn that fear is just a compass pointing you exactly where you need to grow. You'll start to connect difficulty with growth, not with defeat. Month 5, the alignment, finding your mission. Discipline without a mission is just a hobby. In month 5, with your mind and body sharp, you're going to align all that effort with a purpose. You'll spend real time thinking, who do you want to be in 5 years? What is your mission? What impact do you want to have on the world, on your family, on your community? Write it down. Create a vision so powerful that it pulls you out of bed in the morning. Your daily actions are no longer just chores. They become strategic moves toward that bigger vision. You stop living day to day and start building a legacy. Your discipline now has a direction. It has a why. And this is when you become truly dangerous. Month 6, the unveiling, a new beginning. This isn't the finish line. This is the unveiling of the man you've built. The habits that felt like a struggle at first are now automatic. The discipline that took so much willpower is now just part of who you are. You don't try to be disciplined. You are a disciplined man. Look in the mirror now. Compare the man you see to the one from 180 days ago. The change isn't just physical. It's in your eyes. It's in your posture. It's in the quiet, unshakable foundation of self-respect you built, one hard choice at a time. This isn't an ending. It's your new starting line. You've now learned the process of transformation. You hold the keys. You've proven to yourself once and for all that you are the architect of your own life. The man I just described, the one at the end of these 6 months, he isn't a myth. He's a possibility. He is a choice. And that choice is yours to make, right now, in this moment. The next 6 months are going to pass whether you do something or not. You can show up in December as the exact same man you are today, or you can show up as someone completely new. The path is laid out for you. The challenge has been made. So what's the first step? It's not some huge, dramatic gesture. It's small, it's immediate. It's something that proves you're serious. When this video ends, I challenge you to do one thing your future self will thank you for. Do 20 push-ups. Go for a 10-minute walk without your phone. Write down one clear goal for tomorrow. Take one single action. Any action is better than sitting here. This is day 1 of your 180. If this message resonated with you, if you felt that fire in your gut, then this is your tribe. Subscribe to this channel because we're on this journey together. This is your daily reminder that you're a warrior in training. Now, go to the comments and declare your commitment. Write day 1 to hold yourself accountable to that man in the mirror. The cage door is open. The choice is yours. Walk out.